Hi, my name's Louisa and I'm going to show you how to look after your buffalo lawn. So most parts of Australia, it is suitable to have a buffalo lawn. You just need to maintain it and look after it. To keep your buffalo lawn healthy, you will need a lawnmower, a garden hose, wetting agent, hose-on fertilizer, a thatching rake, pitchfork, weeding tool or a weed killer spray, and your safety gear. It is important to regularly mow your lawn so that you can see if there's any underlying problems that might be happening in your lawn. You should probably fertilise your lawn every 2 to 3 months to keep it green, lush and healthy. But in a cooler climate, probably every 3 months. So the fertiliser I'm going to use today is a hose-on. So it just clips on to the applicator and you spray and away you go. In summer, water your lawn once a week. This will encourage really good root strength. In autumn and spring, you only need to water once a month, and in winter, you don't need to water at all. If you have dead patches in your lawn, if the water is repelling from that area, a wetting agent will actually help to break down that area so everything else can penetrate in and make it look nice and lush. Lawn thatch is when you have a layer of dead grass which doesn't allow your new grass to come through. By using a thatching rake more regularly, you're going to keep your lawn nice and healthy. It's important to weed your lawn to keep it looking nice and consistent. Weeds do overgrow in your lawn and it'll overtake. So when weeding your lawn, if you choose to do it manually, always make sure when the weed is actually removed that the roots come out with it, so it's then not encouraging the weeds to spread. If you are choosing to use a chemical-based product, always make sure it is buffalo suitable. So if you do have any areas of concern in your lawn where the grass isn't growing, it's probably a good idea to use a pitchfork, give it a bit of aeration to loosen up the soil, even corner off that area so that you don't have that traffic flow over it, so it gives it a good chance to fix itself. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy your beautiful new lawn in next to no time.